Yo, first order, we got a McDonald's. This one's $9 going 5 miles. I think it should be ready by the time I get there. Most of the mileage is getting to the restaurant itself, so. I just knew it was gonna be ready for me. Let's go drop it off. Oh, I just realized this is a meet at door order. Why do you want to meet me so badly? I'm not that famous yet.
Thank you so much.
You have a good day. Thank you. All right, never mind. He met me by the street, so I didn't have to get out of my car. We're cool. Time to be dumb again. Just got this Wendy's order. This is $11 going 5 miles.
You can go ahead and order when you're ready.
There's a drink with it. Good thing I was paying attention, because she was about to send me on my way. Next order up, we've got a Walmart pickup. This one's gonna be $11 and some change, going just under 5 miles. Well, there are 4 other cars here, and one of them just pulled out and left. I don't think Walmart's gonna be it today. Never mind, this guy just came out with like 20 boxes, so hopefully one of those is mine.
Awesome, thank you.
And then just scribble on that. Good enough for me.
Cool.
I got this order as I was unloading. This is for Starbucks, $10 and some change, going 2 miles. Hello.
Okay, there you are.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Next order up is for Seize the Bagel. This one is going to be $9.25 going 5 miles.
It's there.
What is this? IHOP, $13.25 going 6.5 miles. Sure. Hopefully it's not too busy. It is a Saturday morning, so we shall see in 2 seconds. Okay, this might be ready.
And there you are.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Hello. There you are.
Thank you very much.
Have a good day. I think I'm gonna take this. This is a shop and deliver for PetSmart. $8.75 going 4 miles, 4 items.
Morning.
Morning. All right, we are shopping for a kitty today. 2 of these. This. They're all out. Of course it's upstairs. Always upstairs. Jesus. Kind of reluctant to take this order, but it's a little slow, so I might as well, just to keep busy. This one's gonna be for Cinnabon. $8 going less than 4 miles. Thank you. You too. Hello. Okay, here we go. Finally got my next order. This one is gonna be for Chick-fil-A. $11 and some change, going 4.5 miles. Next order up, we've got a shop and deliver for alcohol. $10 going 3.5 miles, only 1 item.
healer. He is a deliverer. Whatever you're going through, whatever your situation is, Jesus Christ can help you with it if you would just give your life to him. So we're out here letting you know that Jesus Christ loves you.
Okay, and then just scribble on that line for me. Hi. Next order up is another Walmart pickup. It's gonna be $21 going 8 miles. This place is packed, so I'm feeling kind of iffy on it, but we'll give it a few minutes. So I've been waiting 15 minutes now. Kind of a long wait, but as long as I can drop off the order within the hour, it's still gonna be worth it, so. Order canceled, huh? What a lovely waste of my time. All right, here we go. This should make up for some of that lost time. This is a shop and deliver for alcohol. This one's $18 going 8 miles, 2 items. Or not. I guess I'll just go f myself today. Order got canceled. I'm over it. Let's go home. Current time is 12:30. Total is 1:33. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.